Welcome back, guys. In this new video I will be showing you how to draw the end elevation for this truncated hexagonal prism. As customary, the first thing to do is to observe the drawing, peruse the drawing, look at all dimensions, do the necessary calculations, and determine where you want to start and how. Now, my first step would be to draw a 45-degree angle line here, down. So I'll be drawing a line, and of course this line can be drawn from anywhere. Left click here, drag, ensure that auto mode is on, tab key to change from length to angle, type 4-5, enter, enter. That is now done. I then left click onto that, grip, move that in place, and that is now drawn. I don't need this anymore, or for now, so I'll type M for move, enter, left click, drag those out of the way. Now, in the previous video, in the previous part of this question, I actually labeled these points, so I would not need to label these points. So I will trim the excess of this line and delete that part. So again, I'll be using that very popular rectangle command to trace these points. So, yep. So my next step would be to draw a line, change to my construction layer. I think I might want to use this line to draw the rectangles. So I first type rectangular, click on rec, then go to 1, click on 1 here, then go down to 1 here. Don't click, trace that point across to there. That's number 1. That's number 1. Number 2, activate rectangle. Come across here to 2, left click here, go down to 2, and trace that across to 2 to here. So 2 would have been here. That is 2. Yeah. I probably should move this out of the way. Drag this probably onto the side over here for now. Spacebar to reactivate. Go down to 3. 3 is right here. So we click onto the point where the radiating line cuts. Click here. Then go down to 3. We hover. We do not click here. We don't click. We just hover the mouse over that point, and then we drag. Yeah. Left click there. So we have 1, 2, 3. Spacebar to reactivate rectangle. I now go to our. What you could do if you think you'll get confused, you could draw a line same time for these as they go. You could draw a line here, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there. As you go, you could do that as well. And then go back to rectangle. Now go to 4, left click here at 4, go across to this, hover at that point, and this is our 4th point. Yeah, 4th point. Rectangle again, go to our 5th point right here. So from starting up here, left click here, go delay there, go to our 5th point there. Yeah, and we have that. We then now go to our 6th point. Spacebar to activate rectangle, left click here, go down here, and we go across to here. That is now our 6th point. Now the figure is now formed, and I will then move to my construction layer. my outline layer, sorry. Click polyline, left click here, left click there, left click there, left click there, left click there, yeah, left click here, left click here, and then left click here. And that is now done. My next step is to draw the other part of this. Spacebar to reactivate. Left click here. Left click here. Enter. Spacebar from here down there. Enter. And just like that, we have our end elevation. We have our end elevation. Yep. 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 End elevation is now done. Yes.